ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट विच डायग्राम? देखो एक तो आप लोगों ने बना दिया था, हाँ, डीऑक्सीराइबोस शुगर नाइट्रोजनस बेसिस बनाए हैं आपने, हाँ वेरी गुड। ठीक है, एंड देन बिफोर दैट जस्ट टर्न द पेज, यही स्टार्टिंग है। रूबीशा, दिस फर्स्ट फिगर, हाँ ये
This
देखो
is my first
न्यूक्लियोसाइड
figure.
और न्यूक्लियोटाइड, बिल्कुल सही है। दैट इज ओनली द न्यूक्लियोसाइड। अपन नीचे सर्किल से दिखा रहे हैं फॉस्फेट को। हाँ हाँ, ओके ठीक है, हाँ फाइन, हाँ हाँ, एंड देन अनदर वन, दिस इज योर शोइंग द बॉन्डिंग आई थिंक ना, नहीं ये सारे आपके नाइट्रोजनस बेसिस हो जा रहे हैं। नो,
Ma'am,
ओके
nitrogenous
दिस इज द अदर
bases are
फिगर,
here.
हाँ फिर द नेक्स्ट पेज, नेक्स्ट पेज, हाँ हाँ 3 to 5, ओके, तो डबल रिंग भी है, और हाउ दे आर बॉन्डेड मीन्स टू strands plus the steps how they are joined, that was shown by the previous figure I think, isn't it? और ऊपर आपका क्या बना हुआ है, pyrimidine का, ठीक है, हाँ देन और क्या बनाया है शो,
Ma'am, DNA structure. Ma'am.
हाँ दिस स्ट्रक्चर, राइट राइट, हाँ नाउ चिल्ड्रन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस स्ट्रक्चर ओनली। तो सबने अगर ये डायग्राम बनाया है, इसी डायग्राम को देखो, इस डायग्राम से जो एक अपन ने लैडर जैसा बनाया हुआ है, दैट लैडर लाइक डायग्राम, ओके, सी नाउ एवरीवन, in that ladder like diagram only you can understand that what are the steps made up of and what are the strands made up of. Okay, so two strands are made up of, अब जल्दी जल्दी बोलो, माय
Deoxyribose sugar and phosphate.
Sai Ram, children. Can you all hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. See, lots of time wasted. It was not connecting only. Okay, so now we were discussing that what is the structure of the DNA. So I was asking one question that what are the two strands made up of? So Ritu will quickly give me the answer. What are the two strands made up of?
Ma'am, nitrogenous cis.
Oh, very wrong. What are the two strands made up of? रितु आपने डायग्राम बनाए हैं कि नहीं बनाए हैं? The diagram
Ma'am,
chat. हाँ
strands are made up of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate group.
so this much if you will say, it will not be correct. Who will specify further? Raj, can you tell me what are the two strands made up of? ये दो का तो बना है मगर how they are arranged, that you have to tell. Can you tell me, Raj? जल्दी से बताइए, फिर आगे अपन बढ़ते हैं.
Ma'am, I don't know.
अरे, did you note down what I have noted on the screen? पूरा स्क्रीन पर लिखा था. आप लोग लिखते हो कि नहीं लिखते हो, ये बताइए. राज, आपकी नोटबुक बनी हुई है?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have the notebook, Raj. So whatever I explain, so you have written there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर उसको रीड करो, क्या लिखा हुआ है पिछले पीरियड में. क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है? आई डिक्टेटेड दिस थिंग. पहले तो सारे कंपोनेंट्स बता दिए थे, उसके बाद फिर डिक्टेट किया था. दैट द टू स्ट्रैंड्स आर मेड अप ऑफ. कैन नेहा टेल मी व्हाट इज मिसिंग इन रितुज आंसर?
Ma'am, the two strands are made up of alternating molecules of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate group.
हाँ, यू हैव टू से रितु ऑल्टरनेटिंग मॉलिक्यूल. क्यों? क्योंकि एक डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर है, देन द फॉस्फेट इज अटैच्ड, देन अगेन द डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर, देन द फॉस्फेट. So we have to clarify that the two strands are made up of alternating molecules of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate. ठीक है? Now the two strand structure is very clear. Now you find that how they are joined together. So they are joined together by the, Barbie will give me the answer. The two strands are joined together by,
Ma'am, the two strands are joined together by the steps which are made up of nitrogenous bases.
okay, further now you explain the whole thing about the steps. Huh? Now tell about nitrogenous bases, Barbie.
Ma'am, there are of two types. One is purine and one is pyrimidine. And purine are two types, that is adenine and guanine. Then pyrimidine also is two types, that is cytosinin and thymine.
Thymine, correct.
And the adenine and thymine join with the joined by double hydrogen bond, whereas the guanine and cytosinin are joined by triple hydrogenous bond.
Hydrogen bond. So remember children, ये इतना बताना ही पड़ेगा that the two steps, अभी learn it everyone. The two steps are joined by, or the steps, the two strands, sorry, are joined by the steps. The steps are made up of nitrogenous bases, which are sorry, of two types. One is a purine, another one is pyrimidine. Purine is having a double ring structure की single ring structure. कैसा है? कौन बताएगा? जल्दी बोलिए. Purine is having
double ring structure.
double ring structure. So the structure is consisting of
one benzene ring and attached to it is a 5-membered imidazole ring.
imidazole ring. तो इतना सब बताना पड़ेगा. Okay, so the purines all, so what are those two purines? They are adenine and guanine. And pyrimidines, they have got the what structure? They have got
Single ring structure.
they will
Single
have
ring
the
structure.
structure. So it consists of only the benzene ring. Okay, and which are the pyrimidines? Can you name them, Shravani? Shravani, can you name them? Raj, can you name them? What are the pyrimidines? जल्दी से बोलो. Yeah, don't get the answer quickly. Rumisha, say now.
Cytosine and thymine.
Cytosine and thymine. Now, then you have to say, Barbie, that these purines and pyrimidines show complementary pairing. What you will be saying? Barbie, repeat what you have to say.
And purine and pyrimidine show complementary pairing.
That is. Now repeat what you said previously. What is that pairing? Barbie, repeat.
When purine and pyrimidine shows complementary pairing, that is,
Uh,
adenine pairs
uh,
with thymine by
very
double hydrogen bond, and
yes.
guanine pairs with cytosine by triple
It is
hydrogen bond.
guanine. It is guanine.
Okay, guanine.
Guanine pairs with cytosine by triple hydrogen bonds. Very good. तो ऐसे ही आपको लिख देना है. Okay, you have to write this much only. बिल्कुल simple language में in your own words, children. You have to express yourself. Okay, जो अपन डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं बिल्कुल उसी चीज को आपको बोलते भी बनना चाहिए और you should understand what the diagram is telling us. Okay, so Rumisha, can you sum up the whole thing what we discussed just now? Shravani's the mic is not working. Raj,
Ma'am,
wait. Raj, are you there? Raj will not speak up only. Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
आई एम सेइंग अभी रुमीशा का बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. उसके बाद बिल्कुल इसी ऑर्डर में आपको बोलना है. ओके, सो रुमीशा विल स्टार्ट नाउ. से व्हाट इज द डीएनए स्ट्रक्चर. यस रुमीशा.
ma'am, DNA consists of two strands, strand
हाँ.
1 and strand 2,
ओके.
which are made up of alternating molecules of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate group.
वेरी गुड.
The two strands are joined together by steps which are made up of nitrogenous bases, and the two
वेरी
strands are helically coiled in DNA.
ओके. Then tell about the steps also further.
Uh, the nitrogenous bases are of two types, purine and pyrimidine.
You have to say that the steps are made up of
Nitrogenous
okay.
bases.
So then you continue. The two steps are made up of
अरे यार अदी प्लीज प्यूरिन एंड pyrimidine.
हाँ.
Ma'am, please, sorry for disturbance. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. At home it happens. Don't worry. So continue.
The nitrogenous bases are of two types, purine and pyrimidine. Purine is a double ring. Purine is made up of double ring structure containing one benzene ring and 5-membered imidazole ring
is attached to it.
They are. Yes, ma'am.
ओके कंटिन्यू. तो अपन को ये भी बताना पड़ेगा कि बेंजीन रिंग से इमिडाजोल रिंग अटैच्ड है. देन व्हाट विल से.
The purine is are of two types, adenine and guanine.
एडेनिन एंड ग्वानिन, ठीक है, प्यूरिन्स आर एडेनिन एंड ग्वानिन, ठीक है।
Then pyrimidine is single ring structure
हाँ,
and is cytosine and thymine.
they are the cytosine and thymine, okay, correct। then
The nitrogenous basis shows complementary pairing.
हाँ,
The A is bounded with T by double
हाँ,
hydrogen bond, and G is
okay,
bounded with C with triple hydrogen bonds.
हाँ, okay, so did you understand everyone that A pairs with T by double hydrogen bond and the G pairs with the C, so that is why we say complementary pairing। The purine will pair with pyrimidine, purine will pair with pyrimidine, okay, so all have learned this much, समझ में आ गया। अब स्टार्टिंग अपन when you will explain you have to say that it is a polynucleotide molecule, okay, and polynucleotide क्या मतलब, it is made up of many nucleotides, and nucleotide is what, it is a nucleoside plus the phosphate, okay, and then you have explained further that what is the strand made up of and how they are joined, what are the steps, okay, now we will go in detail। Do you have the other diagram, children? I'll try to now share my screen। Okay, everyone, try to see the diagram where you have the deoxyribose sugar, ribose sugar, and the different nitrogenous bases। ओके, अब डीऑक्सीराइबोस शुगर और राइबोस शुगर में डिफरेंस क्या है? कैन यू टेल मी नेहा, यू हैव द structures of ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar in front of you or not?
Ma'am, I have.
So now see, and you will be able to, because it is marked there that what is the difference between the deoxyribose sugar and the ribose sugar। वर्ड से भी समझ में आ जाता है, देखो, deoxy and another one is ribose, this is deoxyribose and the other one is ribose, so what is the difference? Can you see the structure and tell me, Neha?
Ma'am, in
Everyone try to see that structure। हाँ,
Ma'am, in deoxyribose, it has a hydrogen bonded to it, but in place of that, in ribose, it has a OH bond.
OH, now tell me which number carbon?
Ma'am, it is the
You have to tell me which number carbon।
second number carbon.
सेकंड कार्बन, तो यही बताना पड़ेगा आपको, ओके, दैट deoxyribose sugar, it is a 5-membered sugar which is having the 5-membered ring made up of Neha, continue, made up of,
Ma'am, can you repeat from the starting?
I said that the deoxyribose sugar is a pentose sugar. Okay, it is made up of the 5-membered ring, and this 5-membered ring is made up of,
The five having 4 carbon and 1 oxygen, and fifth carbon is outside the ring.
correct. Okay, this only I want. Okay, so you find that H and OH is attached to all the carbon atoms. Okay, but at the second carbon, in case of the deoxyribose sugar, we find that instead of OH, it has only H। Is it clear this much to everyone? वो structure देख के ये बात समझ में आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? अभी ये बात clear हो गई?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, all have seen। Barbie, could you get it? हाँ, deoxyribose sugar समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो नाउ यू कैन सी हियर, ये डीऑक्सीराइबो शुगर में देखो ये सेकंड कार्बन ये वाला है. कैन यू सी माय कर्सर चिल्ड्रन?
Yes, ma'am.
ये अपना फर्स्ट है, फिर ये सेकंड है, थर्ड है, फोर्थ है, और ये फिफ्थ वाला है. तो सेकंड कार्बन में यहाँ H है, लेकिन राइबोज में अपन यहाँ पर OH देखेंगे. तो दैट इज द डिफरेंस, मतलब एक ऑक्सीजन निकल गया, इसलिए डीऑक्सी बोला अपन ने. क्या बोला? डीऑक्सी. व्हाई वी आर सेइंग डीऑक्सी? one oxygen has been removed. Okay, now try to see the next things children. अभी अपन ने ये तो समझ लिया that strand किसका बना है and then how the steps are made up of. But now you have to understand how in the strand deoxyribose sugar and phosphate are attached. So for that I have sent one figure to you all children where the steps plus the deoxyribose sugar and phosphate are shown, and there they are telling that carbon how they are bonded. अब एक चीज समझ लेना है आपको, when you see the first figure, वहां देखिए एक strand के ऊपर 5 dash लिखा है and the other strand it is written 3 dash. Now why is it written? Very important, remember that in the two strands, that is strand 1 and strand 2, the deoxyribose sugars, they are anti-parallel, or you can say that the two strands are anti-parallel. What we say? The two strands are
Anti-parallel.
anti-parallel. अब anti-parallel देखने कहने का क्या मतलब है? That they are inverted. Okay, now I'll just see here. Not. You will be able to understand in the same figure. Here you find that oxygen is on top, okay, and then the other one also you will find it will be going like this only. So which carbon to which carbon you find these phosphate is attached? यहाँ पर इसके किस कार्बन से phosphate attached दिख रहा है? Can anyone tell by seeing this figure? We start counting from this side. So the phosphate PO4 that is attached to which carbon of the deoxyribose sugar? My question is this.
Ma'am, third.
थर्ड. हाउ थर्ड? ये कौन सा, ये बाहर वाला कार्बन कौन सा कार्बन होता है?
Sorry, ma'am. Fifth.
Fifth.
हाँ, फिफ्थ कार्बन. So ये fifth carbon is getting attached to this phosphate group, and when it is attached you find one H of the phosphate and OH of this deoxyribose sugar. They combine and one water molecule will be released. One water molecule is released. Is it clear? Are you getting? So this way, to that deoxyribose sugar, the phosphate is attached. Are you getting? इतनी बात समझ में आई कि नहीं आई? रुमेशा, नेहा, बारबी, स्पीका, are you all there?
Ma'am, can you again explain that last part? Water molecule is released.
Again. See, I am telling you how in the two strands the alternating molecules of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate are attached. That you have to understand. So for that you have to understand that in one strand you find that the carbon, the fifth carbon of the deoxyribose sugar bonds with the OH group of the phosphate. OH group of the phosphate. So fifth carbon के साथ जो OH attached है वो OH phosphoric acid के साथ bonding होती है, and you find that one H of the phosphoric acid and the OH of the deoxyribose sugar will combine and one water molecule will be formed which will be released. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो अब ये ना लिख लो, यहाँ पर जो स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा है ना, दिस यू राइट दैट अ पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड चेन is formed by interlinking of this. You all wrote it or not that day? No?
No, ma'am.
So you write down. A polynucleotide chain is formed by interlinking of a 5' carbon of a pentose of one nucleotide. Now try to see in this structure only. यहाँ एक तरफ तो ये फॉस्फेट अटैच दिखा रहे हैं और डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर से एडेनिन अटैच्ड आल्सो दे आर शोइंग. So how the adenine is bonded? Adenine is bonded to the first carbon. Adenine is bonded to the मतलब steps deoxyribose sugar से ही nitrogenous bases they are attached. So how they are attached? So the nitrogenous base is attached to the first carbon and to the fifth carbon the phosphate is attached. Okay, so that only you are writing by interlinking of a 5' carbon of a pentose of one nucleotide to the 3' of an adjoining nucleotide. Adjoining nucleotide. By a 5' 3' phosphodiester bond. By 5' 3' phosphodiester bond. So why you are calling 5' 3' children? Try to understand. ऊपर तो एक फॉस्फेट से वो फिफ्थ कार्बन से अटैच्ड है, अब नीचे क्योंकि ऑल्टरनेटिंग तो है, ऊपर भी फॉस्फेट नीचे भी फॉस्फेट, फिर डीऑक्सीराइबोज आएगा. मतलब एक के बाद एक अपन ऐसे ही देखेंगे कि एक शुगर है तो फिर फॉस्फेट है फिर शुगर है. Okay, so means the sugar is attached on top also with phosphate and down also with phosphate. So above you are finding that one phosphate is attached to the fifth carbon and below you find that the other phosphate will be attached to the third carbon. It will be attached to
Third carbon.
थर्ड कार्बन. इसीलिए अपन इसको क्या बोल रहे हैं? 5' 3' phosphodiester bond. Above 5' to other end 3'. Did you get it, everyone? If any doubt is there, you can ask once again. I will be continuing. I will explain it. Okay, first, second, third, fourth और fifth कार्बन है. इस fifth कार्बन के OH से फॉस्फेट अटैच हो गया. When you see down now, इसके नीचे फिर से एक और फॉस्फेट अटैच्ड होगा and that will be attached to the OH of this third carbon. OH of third carbon. Okay, और फिर इसका ये OH आ जाएगा इसके सामने. So then again H and OH will be combining and one water molecule will be released. So this is known as phosphodiester bond. What is this bond called?
Phosphodiester bond.
Okay, so the link between the sugar and phosphate is called the ester end. Whereas the linking of the phosphate group to sugar is called phosphodiester bond. Noted this much, everyone? Now change the paragraph and write down a polynucleotide chain has two ends. The 5' end with free OH group at the 5' carbon and a 3' end with a free OH group at the 3' carbon of the terminal nucleotide. Is it clear, this statement, what you are noting just now? What are the two ends of the strands? One will be the 5' end और नीचे वाला end 3' end कहलाएगा. ऊपर का end 5' क्यों कहलाएगा कि यहाँ 5th कार्बन फ्री रहेगी और नीचे के end में ये 3rd कार्बन फ्री रहती है. Is it clear? So it will have, अब ऐसे अपन को बहुत सारे एक के बाद एक अरेंज देखने हैं. So for that you have to understand the other structure which I have sent to you all children. Three' end with a free OH group at the 3' carbon of the terminal nucleotide. Noted, everyone? Once you note down, you tell me. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, it is already 2:50 children, so I'll stop sharing. And next period again I'll take up the different types of the RNA and the bonding further. So आपको जो diagrams भेजे हैं, all of you all try to draw it, and then once again I will be explaining. Is it clear to everyone? And try to read those pages also, which I have sent. Okay. So I'm stopping the sharing. So Neha, Rumisha, Barbie, Shravani, Ritu, everyone try to complete all the figures and try to do it in a proper order. Okay, और उसकी reading भी करो. What is a nucleotide? What is a nucleoside? And the last figure of the DNA which is given, that diagram you make it nicely, and I will be taking up this few more things which are left next period. Okay, so I'm stopping the recording now. We will do Shanti part.